Guys, it's been a while since I've reviewed one of these, but nevertheless, in a world of streaming content and cloud services, I would challenge anyone not to need one of these. This is a very capable, budget-friendly DVD CD read writer, and it's coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. First off guys, I was sent this external DVD drive from Flyland in exchange for my honest opinion and review, which of course you guys know you will always get whether I'm sent something or whether I buy it myself. So guys, in the box we have some instructions and the drive itself, plus we have a USB-A to USB-C adapter. Now that is pretty cool, especially for us Mac users who have zero concept about USB-A these days. It's all about the C. Now, although I think the new MacBook Pro M1 or MX chip, whatever it is, might have a USB-A connector, and actually I'd really like to buy one of these new machines, but apparently there's a problem with connecting to LaCie drives, which will not work for me because I've got a LaCie 6 big 48 terabyte Thunderbolt 3 drive and I ain't changing that out. Anyway, enough of that and back to this. This is a light, compact USB 3 CD DVD drive. It's quick and it's also backwards compatible with USB 2 up to a maximum speed of 5 gigabits per second, I believe. Okay, that's a bit nerdy, but it is what it is. Now, it's obviously plug and play and it's compatible with all DVD and CD formats, and it has a neat cable storage thing at the back, so it's really portable, so it's exactly what it's intended for. Although it doesn't have anywhere to store this little puppy, but anyway, it is what it is. Now, I tried this with a whole bunch of different content. It played back DVDs, no problem at all. It played back CDs, it worked quickly, it worked efficiently. I was able to rip CDs, I was able to rip DVDs, and I was able to do that pretty damn quickly. So I think, you know, it really is a very, very, very nice, up-to-date, does what it says on the tin DVD drive. Now, there isn't much else really to say on it because that's what it is. But as the world makes the shift to cloud and streaming services, I'm pretty certain for the next few years we're still going to need devices like this, particularly for backwards compatibility. Now, I will put any links to the products and any discount codes in the description. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section below. And until then guys, thanks ever so much for watching, and thanks to Flyland for sending me this to review. And guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, it really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, thanks for watching, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.